3 fields in this form are permanent. Get one wrong, and the only fix TikTok gives you is a new account. Here's which 3. This is where we're going. An account that passed review, TikTok says most of them take less than a day. And this icon up here, that's an ad coupon attached to the account. Most beginners never see this screen. Not because of something they did later, but because of the door they walked in through in the first 60 seconds. Let's do it properly. Alright, the next 10 minutes, 3 things. 1. An account that passes review the first time with no appeal and no resubmitting. 2. I'll name the fields you can never edit before you touch them. 3. Exactly where to check whether your coupon actually activated. A lot of people assume it did. It didn't. And around the 8-minute mark, I'll explain why some accounts never show a coupon at all. It isn't a bug. It's the door you walked in through. One thing first, because this trips up almost everyone. There are 3 places TikTok will let you start, and they are not the same product. TikTok Ads Manager is the ad account itself. This is what you want. Business Center is the layer above it. It holds several ad accounts, and it's where you'd add an agency as a partner. You don't need it today. And if you sell on TikTok Shop, you probably already have an advertiser account waiting. Seller Center, Marketing, Shop Ads. Know which one you are before you click. The door you pick changes the form you see next, and it decides one more thing I'll come back to. Head to the TikTok Ads sign-up page, I'll leave it below. Create your login, an email or a phone number, then a password. That's just how you get in. None of it is permanent yet. Tick the terms box and sign up. TikTok sends a verification code to whichever one you used. Grab it, paste it in. And now you're on the advertiser account form. This is the part everybody rushes. 6 fields. Country or region, industry, legal business name, time zone, phone number, currency. Look at that list for a second, because 3 of those 6 are the ones I opened this video with. Don't fill anything in yet. Let me show you which 3 and what it costs you to get them wrong. Country or region, time zone, currency. Country decides which local rules your account runs under. Pick where you actually operate, not where you wish you operated. Time zone syncs every report and every schedule you will ever read. Get it wrong and your daily numbers cut at 3 in the morning. Forever. Currency is how every charge is billed. Pick the one your bank actually holds. Otherwise, every top-up goes through a conversion first. And I want to be exact here, because a lot of videos hedge this part. TikTok's own help center says it in one sentence. You won't be able to edit the time zone, region, business name, and currency of your ad account once it's been created. That's 4, not 3. The 4th one is on this same form, and it's the one everybody types wrong. One more thing before we hit register. TikTok runs 2 completely different coupons for new advertisers. Not 2 amounts. 2 mechanics. And which one you're offered depends on the page you signed up from. Not on how much you spend. I'll break both down in a few minutes. The link below is the one that shows the offer. Keep going. Industry, pick the closest match. It only shapes the tips TikTok sends you, and it's the one field here you can change later. Legal business name. This is the 4th permanent field, and it's the one that gets accounts rejected. If your business name does not match the actual name of your business, your account may not be approved. So use what's on your registration documents. Not your brand name, not your store handle. Phone number, a real one. TikTok says they contact you on it. Hit register. Now billing. Address, tax details if your country asks for them, then payment method. Manual means you top up a balance, and campaigns stop when it's empty. Automatic means TikTok charges your card as you spend. For your first month, I'd pick manual. That's my opinion, not TikTok's, but it's a hard ceiling on what you can lose while you're still learning. Once you hit Go to Ads Manager, your account goes off for review automatically. You can build a campaign right now. It just won't run until you're approved. TikTok says most account reviews take less than 24 hours. You can check the status yourself on the account setup page. If it comes back rejected, re-enter your information and click Request Review. But before you do, check the boring one first. TikTok's policy is that it can only approve an account if there's an official website and a social profile doesn't count. Then the legal name, exactly as it's registered. Then your business and tax details. And whether the page you're sending people to actually loads on a phone. There's one optional step worth doing: business verification. You upload documents proving the business is real. It isn't required to create the account, but it's what gets you into TikTok One and the Creator Marketplace. Which brings us to the coupons. TikTok has 2 coupon types for new advertisers, and TikTok names them itself. The first is a ladder coupon. You spend your own money during an earning window, and the credit lands after that window closes. You can't stack the tiers, you get the highest one you reach. This is what one of those pages looks like. And TikTok's own pop-up says the quiet part out loud. We match every dollar you spend with $1 in credits, and your earned credits get applied. Earned. Nothing comes off up front. Here's a real one, mid-window. Progress 0%, credits earned 0. The second is a discount coupon, and it's the one most beginners should actually want. A percentage comes off every charge automatically, capped at a maximum subsidy. Here's what one of those looked like. 50% off ad spend up to $200. So spend $400, pay $200. TikTok covers the rest. No threshold to chase. Your first $10 is half price, same as your last. But read the terms under it because that page had one more line on it. The coupon activates directly after registration. And the promotion period is within 14 days of your registration date. Which means the honest advice here is the opposite of what you'd expect. Don't create the account until you can actually spend in the 2 weeks that follow. Now, how to check yours is real instead of just hoping. Top right of Ads Manager, there's a ticket icon. That's the fast way. Or through the menu, Tools, then Billing, then Promotions. TikTok's Help Center still calls that middle one Payments. Same page. It shows the coupon details, the expiry date, and which ad products it's valid on. Read the expiry. Credits do run out. This isn't for everyone. It's new advertisers only. TikTok's words are accounts that have not previously advertised. And this is the answer to the question I opened with. The offer terms say the account can't be an agency or business center created account, and it can't be a TikTok shop account. That's the door. If you started inside a business center or as a shop seller, the coupon was never coming. 1 coupon per advertiser too. If an account under the same business center already took one, a new one under it doesn't get another. And TikTok states plainly that these incentives aren't guaranteed, vary by region, and can change without notice. If that's you, skip this next part. So your first $10 half price with no threshold. Spend $400, pay $200. 2 paths from here. Testing with under $500 this month? The discount coupon is better. It works from $1. Planning to spend properly in your first month? Look at the tiered offer instead. Either way, here's the part that matters. The coupon attaches when the account is created and the clock starts there. So don't sign up the week before you're ready. Sign up the day you are. Links below. Watch the address bar when it loads. ads.tiktok.com. Same TikTok. Same account, entirely yours. Different door. And check the offer on the page in front of you before you commit a budget. 3 things I promised you. Your account is built to pass review the first time, legal name matched, website live. You know the fields you can't take back: country, time zone, currency, and the business name. And you know where to confirm your coupon is live: ticket icon or tools, billing, promotions. The account is the easy part. What decides whether any of this works is your pixel and your first campaign structure. And that's where most of the money actually gets wasted. That one's next. I'll see you there.